Welcome to the vlog, boy.
Bro,
Michael's about to die tonight, man. Rest in peace. This man's finna hang out the car going 100 miles per hour, getting that nice shot.
Please pay my medical bill.
I got you, bro.
Times are tough.
I got you, bro. I got you. So we got Bryce Alice, we got MixelMedia, Jerome Skillets, that's me. And now we're about to make another movie type feature of my car. Finna go do some rolling shots right now. Michael done did his thing in a parking garage. But look at the clean. I look so clean. Hey, man. Michael, bro. Michael, man. If your mom watched this, Mama Mixel, he's okay. He's in good hands, boy. He in Bryce Alice's car.
Yeah, I'm about to bring out the car, bro. Die tonight. Death is spelling my name right now, bro.
Nah, you should be good, bro. You in the Grammy tag, boy. You good.
Doing the 100-mile-per-hour shot, boy.
For real?
You gonna see Mixel roll out the car, bro.
Mixel gonna be a dead pixel. Oh shit.
You got my ass good. You got me good.
Yeah, we should do a feature on Brian's car. This shit clean.
It's already done, too.
Yo, where'd you get the CCWs?
The ultimate sleeper, boy.
It is the ultimate sleeper. It's a DC6, boy. She ain't even out yet. Wow, wow. It's a ghost town, boy. We on Crosstown right now. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. Show the snap on the phone.
You want me to flip for the vlog?
Damn, ghost
I mean, I can do it in person if you want.
That's crazy, bro.
Oh, they don't have the time filter anymore? I thought they had the time. That's crazy.
This is crazy.
I busted my ass.
3 o'clock, and this man did a backflip.
3 a.m. backflip, bro.
I'm just bopping, boy. Oh! Bop gang. Oh. Oh, I started crip walking on him. Brian, hit your dance before the vlog. Oh! Oh! For like a work. Oh shit, not again. Oh shit! Yo, you gotta die. We gonna be dead pixel, boy. MixelMedia my ass. Bro, we gotta film this video. Cops, cops, cops!
Oh shit, we got cops, 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 cops,
You shout out Bryce Alice.
What's up, man?
That boy going home. That boy got work in 3 hours. That boy doing gymnastics in the middle of Crosstown.
What, you said another backflip?
Don't do that shit, bro.
Do it. Let him do it.
You gotta do it again.
We gotta do it.
All right, do it again. Let's go.
I'll record.
I'm gonna do one too.
Ooh.
You do one, I do one.
Sweet. No, don't do a backflip. You don't know how.
Bro, watch this. I got this. You ready?
Now I gotta do a little dancing.
Bro?
Yeah, you gotta do it. All right, I'm gonna do it at the same time you do yours.
Let me know when you're ready.
It's ready. It's going. Oh.
God. Bro, you gotta just go like this.
Yay! Oh.
My turn. Hold on, my turn.
Yay!
Nah, I'm out of here, bro. You die, I ain't got it.
It's been a minute, man.
Hey, you should do it off the ledge.
Oh yeah. Do it off the bridge onto the turnpike.
Yo, I can do it in the grass.
Hey, thanks for the camera, boy.
Hey, you have a good night, bro.
Hey, y'all have a good night.
Cop. Is that a Dominican roll?
Oh!
So we just left, right? And I left my phone on the road. What the hell? Oh my God. At least somebody ran it over. Look, boy, y'all can roast my iPhone 5S all day, but it's all good.
Oh my God.
So we're in Michael's rich neighborhood right now. It's 4:30 in the morning.
Ramen noodles every day, bro.
Hey, That's good eating.
No, it ain't, bro. Not
Bro,
eating every day.
it's 4:33 in the morning.
I know.
And we getting the last shots right now.
So I was wondering, my payment is coming through PayPal, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna send you about $450.
Nah, we agreed on 800.
Oh, damn, I thought we were joking at the 800.
Bands, bro, 8 bands.
All right, 800, that's nothing. I got you, bro. Take care of your friends, bro. If your friend charge you a Hollywood movie deal to film your car at 4:30 in the morning, you say yes to that, bro.
Look at this.
What's up, playboy?
I'm putting in work.
That is a nice shot of the booty, man. Christina do got a nice fatty back there, B.
Come on, man.
I'm all about getting demonetized over here on this channel.
Oh, you are definitely for sure.
And ladies and gentlemen, that is a wrap, Hoonigan style, baby. It's just now hit exactly 5 o'clock. He just finished. Now it's time for us to go to our homes, be, eat, sleep. You're done, bro. You filmed. How you feel right now, MixelMedia?
Tired. It's like, what, 5 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, 5 o'clock in the morning, bro.
Filming at this time?
Hey, bro.
You think it's fair, bro?
You got 2 bands coming to you. 2 grand, bro.
Bags under these eyes, bro?
Bro,
nah,
you light skinned, bro. So it's like your bag's gonna just go away with some Drake in the background.
He's gonna get rid of my bags, bro. Oh, I should've got the palm trees.
You should've, boy. You should start the scene with the palm trees like this, right? You start the scene with the palm trees like this, and then fucking pan to the car. That'd be clean.
Cause I witnessed it. It's all about how they leave your life. It's never about how they entered it.
Dog. So I hope you guys enjoyed this behind the scenes footage. Here's the actual teaser trailer of the video. I waited a couple days to post this video due to not having the trailer ready. So I'm sorry I made you guys wait 7+ minutes to watch the freaking 25-second teaser trailer video. But the video should be done in the next couple of days. I hope you guys enjoyed. But enjoy the trailer. I hope you guys enjoy the video if you can. Please smack that like button for your boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. I will catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Enjoy the trailer.
Like the Energizer, yeah, I'm supplying the wood like Elijah. Indica smoking, no indica, might fuck around and